Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. In our previous class, we had completed the process of transportation. We have seen how the functioning of heart takes place. We have also seen transportation in plants. Now we are going to move to our next and last process, that is excretion. Excretion is the process by which the waste products produced during metabolic activities is removed from the body. In unicellular organism, the waste products are removed from the cells into the surrounding by diffusion. In multicellular organism, the waste products are removed through the specialized organ. So over here, observe carefully the excretory system, which consists of right kidney, left ureter, urinary bladder. So excretory system consists of pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Each kidney has a number of excretory units called nephrons. Now let us talk about nephron in detail. What is this nephron? Each nephron has a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, containing bundle of capillaries called glomerulus. The Bowman's capsule leads into a tubular structure which joins into a collecting duct. The renal artery brings the nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, uric acid along with excess water, salts, etc. into the nephron. Now what it does, it filters the nitrogenous waste, water and salts which passes through the tubular structure into the collecting duct. The waste then passes through the ureter into the urinary bladder and is then sent out through the urethra as urine. The useful products like amino acids, glucose, salt, etc. are reabsorbed by the capillaries around the tubular structure and goes into the real vein. Now this we spoke about human beings. Now let us talk about excretion in plants. In plants, gaseous waste products produced during respiration and photosynthesis is removed through stomata. This process is called transpiration. Some waste products are stored in the leaves and removed when the leaves dry and fall off. Some waste products are stored in vacuoles. Some waste products like gums and resins are stored in the old xylem cells. Some waste products are removed through the roots. So it is very important to understand how the excretion in plants take place. Now let us quickly summarize this lesson. What you have seen. You have seen that there are various life processes present in our body. The most important criteria to check whether an organism is living or dead is to check life processes in it. Okay. So what are the different life processes discussed? Nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. So thank you children. I hope you all have understood the lesson life processes.